YouTube. Can Arthur Morgan save John Marston from a wolf attack in Red Dead Redemption 2? Subscribe to it at Go, Feed, Ream, Share, View, Dislike, Next, Play, Preview, Play Video button. Speech off.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, we can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.